What am I looking at dollar cost averaging into during this bear market? What technical indicators am I following to try and have an edge during these unprecedented, uncertain times? Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and in this video, I'm going to answer the questions I've been asked the most over the past couple months. What projects I'm looking at, what technical indicators I'm looking at, when I plan on deploying cash I have on the sidelines, and what you need to consider when assessing your own unique situation in life. This has been my most requested video, and a video that I honestly did not want to make. Why? Because I don't really like talking about specific projects I'm interested in. I don't like to talk about the charts, I don't like to talk about timing the market, and I don't like to make predictions. Every other crypto YouTuber makes videos about their portfolios, their plays, they go through the charts, they make predictions, and so that stuff is out there for the taking. I enjoy focusing on the educational side of things to help everyone build their knowledge and confidence in the space to make their own decisions, and not just blindly follow somebody else's playbook without doing any of your own research. So, by popular demand, I am going to share one part of my overall bear market playbook so I can gauge your feedback to see whether or not revealing other parts of my personal playbook will do more help or more harm overall. So, I share my personal thoughts with you under one condition: that by choosing to continue watching this video all the way through, you accept the fact that you and you alone are responsible for every single move you choose to make, and that you and you alone are responsible for every single loss you suffer, every single gain you score, every single emotion you experience along the way, whether it be massive pain or intense pleasure. The reality is, if all the plays I choose to make this bear market go to zero, I'm going to be just fine. So take a moment to reflect on whether or not you are completely 100% okay with potentially losing every single penny you decide to throw into the crypto bear market gauntlet. Whether or not you are completely 100% okay with potentially holding loss positions over the next several years. Whether or not you are here to invest in this new exciting asset class long term, or are you here as a tourist, gambling your money to try and get rich quick in less than a 2-year period. Cool, now that we are all on the same page, let's explore part of my crypto bear market playbook. In this video, I'm going to touch on 6 high-risk blockchain gaming projects I may secure positions in during this bear market. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you a technical indicator I'm keeping my eye on to try and potentially identify the bear market bottom and when we are flipping back into a bull market, both of which are impossible to predict. So this tool is just that. It's a tool. It's not a genie. It's not a crystal ball. It's not scientifically proven to predict anything. Me sharing this tool is for entertainment purposes only. Sweet. Now let's reveal 6 of my crypto gaming plays. Enjin. At the time of this video, Enjin, or ENJ, is sitting at around 68 cents, with a market cap of $667 million. And it is down 85% from its all-time high of $4.82 back in November of 2021. And as you can see by its all-time low back in 2017, this project has been around a while and already survived a bear market in the past. And this is not financial advice. This is just my wild random guess. My wild random guess is that most of these projects that survive the bear market will reach their previous all-time highs again and potentially reach new all-time highs in the future. So these 80 and 90% discounts we are seeing right now, even if they go further down and stay down over the next year or two, may potentially be extremely great, wild and random opportunities for high-risk gamblers like myself. Enjin is a platform and ecosystem that supports a wide array of projects like gaming, metaverse, virtual reality, augmented reality, collectibles, digital fashion, and esports. Enjin is available on Coinbase and Crypto.com exchanges, so scroll down to the description area below to access their correct and official sites and redeem crypto as sign-up bonuses. Or you can also pause this video and use the QR code displayed on the screen. Gala. At the time of this video, Gala, or GALA, is sitting at around 8 cents with a market cap of $626 million. And it's down 89% from its all-time high of 82 cents back in November of 2021. Gala's mission is to make blockchain games people will actually want to play, putting fun first by using simple game mechanics all players can enjoy, implementing ownership of items within games verifiable on the blockchain, allowing their gaming community to shape the ecosystem, and it's all powered by a player-owned node network. Gala is available on Crypto.com and Binance, so be sure to scroll down to the description area below to check them out. Immutable X. At the time of this video, Immutable X, or IMX, is sitting at around 86 cents, with a total market cap of $207 million, and it is down 90% from its all-time high of $9.52 back in November of 2021. Immutable X has positioned itself as the first Layer 2 solution for NFTs on Ethereum, where users experience zero gas fees, instant trades, and carbon-neutral NFTs for marketplaces, games, and applications. Basically, it's a scaling solution for NFT ecosystems. Immutable X is available on Coinbase, Crypto.com, and Binance, so scroll down to check them out. Illuvium. At the time of this video, Illuvium, or ILV, is sitting at around $294 with a market cap of $196 million. And it is down 84% from its all-time high of $1,911 back in November of 2021. Illuvium is an open-world exploration play-to-earn game built on Ethereum, releasing sometime this year on PC and Mac. This is a graphically rich sci-fi adventure game with its own NFT ecosystem, featuring creatures, land, materials, and other collectibles with zero gas fees and instant transactions, thanks to an integration with the previous project we covered, Immutable X. Illuvium is available on Coinbase, Crypto.com, and Binance, so scroll down to check them out. Vulcan Forged. At the time of this video, Vulcan Forged, or PYR, is sitting at around $4.69 with a total market cap of $117 million. And it's down 90% from its all-time high of $49.24 back in December of 2021. Vulcan Forged is an ecosystem featuring play-to-earn fantasy games, the ability to earn their Lava token and NFTs, trade on their NFT marketplace, and much, much more. It's an NFT game studio and decentralized application incubator with ambitious goals they are working hard to achieve despite this bear market. Vulcan Forged, or PYR, is available on Crypto.com, Binance, and KuCoin, so scroll down to check them out. Ultra. At the time of this video, Ultra, or UOS, is sitting at around 35 cents with a market cap of $101 million. And it's down 85% from its all-time high of $2.49 back in November of 2021. Ultra has positioned itself as the first entertainment platform providing a variety of gaming industry services all in one place. You can discover, buy, and play games, watch live streaming feeds, interact with other players and influencers, participate in contests, compete in tournaments, and much more. Think of it as the blockchain version of Steam. Ultra, or UOS, is available on KuCoin and Uniswap, so scroll down to check them out. Nice. Now that I've revealed a glimpse of my gaming gambles, I'm going to give you a glimpse at a technical indicator I'm watching that will hopefully give us some insight into where the bottom of this bear cycle ends and where the next bull cycle starts. This indicator combines technical analysis with on-chain analysis and considers short-term and long-term trends to gauge Bitcoin's strength. Alright, so let's check it out by looking at how it has performed historically with predicting bear and bull cycle beginnings and endings. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin to US dollar price chart, and down along the bottom here, we can see past months and years. The bull cycle in 2017 here brought us from that 2K to 20K price point, and in January of 2018 was the start of a multi-year bear cycle, which lasted until around March 2019. So with this indicator, these green areas with the yellow underline indicate long-term bullish trends, while these red areas with red lines on top indicate long-term bearish trends. And here in March of 2020, we can see a mini bull trend get completely decimated by the COVID pandemic, which turned around in May of 2020 when the money printer started printing and people started getting scared about the value of their dollar. And moving the chart closer to present time, we see that bull trend going absolutely insane all the way to the May 2021 peak, before flipping bearish and remaining bearish through the summer until August 2021. From there, we flip bullish again, all the way to the November 2021 all-time high, before flipping bearish again, all the way to where we are now in May 2022. Zooming in closer, you can see we are in a full-blown bear trend for the foreseeable future. Cool. So this tool is called the Bitcoin Strength Index Indicator, and it is available through the Moralis Academy. And if you scroll down and use the link in the description area below, you can access the Academy at a discounted price. Or feel free to pause this video and use the link displayed on the screen. Awesome. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more content where I share my own personal plays and tools I'm using to try and have an edge in this crazy market, let me know by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and clicking the bell notification to stay up to date on all of the latest videos. So, what do you think of the gaming projects I'm looking into? What bear market plays are you thinking about making? Do you want more regular updates from the BSI indicator? Let me know in the comments below. Be safe out there.